Hi, I'm Betty Zhou. I'm associate professor at the Mays Business School of Texas A&M University. My research is in the area of organizational behavior and human resource management. I mostly use quantitative methods in my research, including various analytic methods developed within the structural equation modeling framework. I currently serve as an elected officer for the Research Methods Division of the Academy of Management, and I'm an associate editor at OBHDB. In this common course on Introduction to Structural Equation Modeling, SEM, we will discuss the basic concepts of SEM. SEM is a broad analytic framework. Understanding its basic ideas will help master more complicated analytic tools. For example, we will discuss the ideas of model data fit and comparing competitive measurement models in this course, which are relevant for more advanced analytic methods. We will also learn basic analytic tools that are developed within the SEM framework and are still very popular among management, psychology, and related fields, such as confirmatory factor analysis and past models with measurement models. We will use different learning activities to help understand SEM concepts and develop your analytic skills, including lectures, demonstrations with software programs, and hands-on exercises. We will spend time going over example datasets, syntax, and output. You will also have opportunities to work with example datasets individually and in a group. In this course, we will not only learn and practice how to use software programs to run basic SEM models, we will also discuss statistical concepts behind the working of these programs and how to present your analysis results in manuscripts for journal submissions. You are also very welcome to bring SEM-related questions or datasets from your own research to our discussion and exercises to enrich our collective learning. We will be using R and its package for SEM called LAVAAN in this class. Before you start this short course, it is important that you have some familiarity with the basic functions of R. You should be able to import example datasets into R, load the package we will be using, and be familiar with how to run syntax and read the output in R. After you complete this short course, I hope you will be able to use the basic SEM tools in your own research and also have the foundational knowledge to learn more advanced SEM topics. I believe this course is going to be beneficial for anyone who is interested in starting to learn about SEM or needs a refresher before moving on to more advanced SEM courses. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you in this short course in the summer.